few months ago, we told you about a wild 500 horsepower flat-six engine that the Singer Restoration Company developed with a division of Williams, the company that runs a Formula One team with the same name. Now we finally get our first look at the first Porsche 911 that Singer put the engine into. And while the color may not be for everyone, there's no question that it's still a beautiful and finely updated vehicle. The car started as a 1990 Porsche 911 964, but you'd be hard-pressed to tell that anymore. A backdated hood, bumper and turn signals have all been fitted to give it a more classic look. It also features a slew of Singer body enhancements to make it more aggressive. The obvious ones are the beefy fender flares, ducktail spoiler and the ground effects and rear diffuser. There are some fascinating but subtler details, too. Looking at it from the top, you'll notice that the roof and the rear window have been scalloped in a way that echoes the same indentation on the hood. That scalloping flows into a small roof wing that fits the contours of the stock roof. The door handles are no longer full arches. Instead, the handles end about halfway, looking like a miniature version of what you'd find on 50s refrigerators. The rear quarter windows also now contain large intake vents for the engine.